Welcome to Spacewood Furnitures Private Limited. This is our showroom. So Spacewood Furnitures basically is a 26-year-old company. We are largest manufacturer of modular furniture in India. We have a factory in Nagpur and presence all across India. We have 26 stores in India. We have a dealership network as well as we have a presence online as well.
Welcome all my dear CAD Center students. So as a part of our kitchen designing practicals, we are meeting Mr. Nachiket. Thank you, sir.
Hello, thank you
to my students.
Thanks for coming.
Most of them are civil engineering students, interior designers, and budding architects who like to work in this interior design.
So when it comes to the kitchen, there are different layouts in which kitchens can be made. Though there are straight platforms, there are U-shaped platforms, there are C-shaped platforms, there are island in between. So we will see different layouts in our showroom. This basically is a L-shaped platform and there's an extension of storage units over here, and then there's a coffee or a breakfast counter kind of a thing where you can have stools, bar stools or low height chairs, and you can basically have a quick breakfast over here. So in the modern days, in bigger cities, you have smaller spaces. So there are no different dining areas. So in those cases, this works beautifully. So if you see, there are three major components in every kitchen. One is sink, where you get your water from, you wash your dishes, you wash your vegetables and everything. So the water part goes there. The second this thing is your cooking area, is your hob and chimney. So sink, your cooking area, and the third is fridge.
So I can see here,
Yes.
under-mounted sink.
Yeah.
Tell
So
me about, can you tell our students a little bit about the types of sink and the materials in the
yeah, sinks basically come in two different material. This is a stainless steel sink, and you get a quartz ka sink. So these are the basic two materials that are available for sinks. So if you see, we have placed a dishwasher below this counter, just next to sink. So this dishwasher, they have their own standard sizes. They cannot be customized. So for this, the counter height has to go up. So this height is 150 millimeters plus 720 millimeters. So that is 870 millimeters. That was 820 millimeters. Yeah, this is a drain board. So drain board basically works. You can rinse your utensils and keep it here. The water is drained on it.
What is this one?
So this is just a brand.
Brand.
So countertop, there are traditionally we use granite as the countertop material, but these days people have started preferring two different color countertops. Yes.
This appears to be what shape?
So this is a C-shaped kitchen.
It's not a C-shape.
Yes. This is a C-shaped kitchen. Again, we've extended it with a breakfast counter. So as we saw the integrated dishwasher, these are integrated microwave and oven. So the first thing that has to be considered is where's my sink coming.
Okay.
Second thing is whether you want a dishwasher or not. Third thing is what kind of appliances that you are taking. And then fourth thing, while after deciding all these factors, fourth thing before designing has to be what kind of corner unit that you want. But then you will have to see how much moving space you get. So like if you have a kitchen 10 feet by 12 feet, so in 10, if it is 10 feet like this, 2 feet and 2 feet goes this way. So this is 2, this is 2, that is 4. So 6 feet remains in between. So as a designer, it is your responsibility to design a proper kitchen which should be functionally absolutely perfect for the client. Also look wise, it should look nice. So there are both aspects, aesthetic and the utility part. So as a designer, you are the expert and not a customer. If you see, sir, like as you spoke that in a bungalow, most of the places the shape of the kitchen will be a hybrid shape. It won't be a straight L or a C or something like that. You will have a counter here, you will have a counter, you have a straight counter here, you may have a L-shaped counter here, you may have a island in between, you may have a storage unit on that side. So it is not one particular shape, it is hybrid shape. So it is part. You may have a straight counter, you may have a L-shaped counter as well, you may have a island as well. So it all depends. So it is.
I read in an American kitchen design magazine
Yeah.
about a concept, what is the trademark concept called core kitchen. They talk about 3 layers.
Yeah.
In the kitchen, layer 1, layer 2,
Yes,
layer
yes.
3.
Yes.
Bigger public should use it's a new term. Because I thought that you were only bounded by the shapes.
No.
There are hybrid kitchens.
Yeah, there are. So it is all customized, no? So we have to design what shape we want.
Like distance between the food and the countertop.
Yes.
To take care of the order, to take care of the housing, gases, or the stove.
Right.
What is the placement standard distance?
So the chimney manufacturer, they typically they suggest to take this distance of around 25 to 29 inches. Yes. So it again depends upon the design of the chimney, how much you want to keep, but that is a range where you should have it, 24 to 29 kind of a thing.
24 to 20.
So we have a lot of options in the wall cabinets as well. So basically they either open up or they open in front. So if you see, this opens like this. This opens like this. This is called front opening wall cabinet. This is a lift up upper openable wall cabinet. Yes. So for the cabinetry, which is like the inside part of the kitchen, this which in simple terms called boxes, you can call it boxes. Typically we call it carcass. So these are separate carcasses that we have. Then we have options in acrylics as well. So this is a acrylic. So this again is a foil like this. This is a wooden finish. You see, and this is the same thing.